Trying to sell an empty home? Check out this virtually staged video home tour. We captured this video of the home completely empty, and within just a couple of days, we delivered a fully furnished video tour for our client. Don't worry if only some rooms are empty, because the technology we use matches items already in the house. Let's go check out what we did in the primary bedroom. This technology is only getting better and better every day. For instance, watch the reflections in the mirrors and even the glass shower doors. It really is amazing, right? Next, we will go back through the kitchen to see the once empty laundry room. Not bad. This garage had a bunch of stuff in it. Let's see what we could do with it. Check out the details on the lamp and front door. Oh, and I love how the light hits the bed here. Down on the terrace level, we put in some fun stuff. We will come back this way. Let's go check out the rooms over here first. It seems like downstairs is the perfect place to send the kids. Or maybe when you have guests over, they could have their own floor. The furniture styles look great because our virtual designers are awesome at what they do. Can you see how this type of video could help you sell your listings? We service all real estate agents in North Georgia. Give us a call and we will be happy to discuss your project. We are realestatePhotosAtlanta.com. Real estate media is what we do every day. Virtually staged videos can be ordered as a standalone service or saved by adding it onto a listing photo package.